This ABC 15 Flash Briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. Straight up.
Hi there, I'm Kaylee O'Kelly with your afternoon update from ABC15 Arizona. The Department of Health Services releasing Thursday's coronavirus figures. The state reporting more than 5,800 new cases. The total since the pandemic hit our state has climbed to above 435,000 cases. An additional 147 deaths have also been reported, and that brings our death toll closer to that 8,000 mark. Vaccinations among healthcare workers will be happening across the valley today. Arizona will have around 380,000 vaccine doses by the end of the year after healthcare workers, nursing home patients and staff will follow the vaccine. Rollout does come as the number of COVID patients hospitalized statewide is at its highest number since the pandemic began. With both Pfizer and Moderna vaccines, Dr. Anthony Fauci is saying responsibility now does lie on you, the American public. And he says some semblance of normal life should come next fall, but he says 80% of Americans have to get vaccinated. If people refuse, the pandemic could last even longer. A group of doctors, along with Democratic mayors and state lawmakers, are again asking Governor Doug Ducey for a statewide mask mandate. During Wednesday's news conference, the governor said he was not issuing one. The 5 states bordering Arizona, that's California, Nevada, Utah, Colorado, and New Mexico, all have mandates in place. The governor said other state mandates were toothless, citing they were not being enforced. The pandemic is forcing students and teachers to get creative, though, to keep some of their favorite things alive, including a holiday choir concert. Tonight, Boulder Creek High begins the first of 3 virtual performances. Students spent most of the semester practicing via Zoom, and they had just 2 weeks of in-person rehearsals.
Now this is something the students have that they can show their children and their grandchildren and say, this is what I did when we had to make lemonade out of lemons, you know?
Yeah, they're all going to be looking at us going, saying, no, you didn't. I mean, that's just the time we're living in, right? The first Share the Light celebration happens at 7 o'clock tonight. It's free to watch. Of course, they are accepting donations. Students at Dobson High are staying home. Mesa Public Schools saying those students will resume remote learning because of this rising number of COVID cases being seen. Final exams will be done virtually, and the final day before winter break is tomorrow. Mesa Public Schools also deciding to begin the start of the second semester with 2 weeks of virtual learning. Families will then hear by January 14th if their particular school will stay remote, switch to a hybrid model, or return to the classroom. The district will also be rolling out COVID-19 testing at schools. You know, we've been told to get moving by our doctors, right, that it's good for us. But some doctors are warning that there are particular activities that could increase the chances of getting COVID this winter. Individual sports, they say, are safest. Activities like snowshoeing, skiing, snowboarding, sledding, and ice skating. They are safe, or I should say safer as well. Doctors are saying, though, you need to be careful, wear a mask, socially distance yourselves, and they say you need to avoid playing hockey or anything that does involve contact with people who live outside of your household.
Time now for that most accurate forecast. I'm meteorologist Iris Hermosillo. Clouds will increase through the day today as a cold front heads our way. That cold front, though, not bringing any rain our way. Instead, we'll see just a slight chance for a few snow showers in northern Arizona, both today and early tomorrow. Then those clouds will be clearing out by tomorrow across the valley and most of the state, leaving behind sunny skies as we head into the weekend. So this cold front will move in later today, but today our highs look to top out in the upper 60s, so a little bit warmer than yesterday with that high of 67 degrees in Phoenix. 65 will be our high at Lake Havasu, 59 in Kingman, and we'll make it to 44 in Flagstaff. Then tomorrow that temperature drops just slightly down to 65 in Phoenix. We'll see a few low 60s to finish out the week, so a bit cooler with clear skies. Then we'll keep those sunny skies around into the weekend, and temperatures will actually be climbing again as we get high pressure building back in. Upper 60s for our Saturday, and by Sunday we're into the 70s with highs in the 70s through early next week.
We do have another update for you tonight. Until then, get the latest news, weather, and traffic at abc15.com or by downloading our free ABC15 mobile app. Make it a great day.
This ABC 15 Flash Briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. Straight up.